Hey dudes and chicks, and neither of those rules Hey dudes and chicks, and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Regular Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be popping this palette, Cherry. This is the Season of the Witch Spring palette by Notoriously Morbid. The color story looks like this. It's pretty fucking adorable and super fucking springy. So I'm just gonna actually, I swatched the, ooh, look at those. I swatched the old shimmers in the outro, but I was just looking at the mattes and thinking how delicious they look. I got this in PR from Notoriously Morbid, and I promised that I would get it filmed and out as soon as possible. It actually launched yesterday at 1 p.m. and I didn't get it in the mail until a little bit later. So I promised him that I would get this out as soon as possible. Pre-orders are open. You can use my code LOSS15 to save 15%. Yeah. So if you guys are curious to see how I got this look, or interested in hearing my final thoughts on this palette, or if you just like to watch, then hang out. Okay, so I already did a look and I hated it. I looked like a clown. I chose my color combinations poorly. So I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna do something simple. Well, it's not gonna be simple. It's gonna be, I'm gonna remove one color from it. I'm gonna start with the color Purification, the blue. And I'm actually gonna use my Voldemorphy JH32 so I can cover more ground. I'm already liking this better, and also it's gonna match my outfit better. That looks nice. I just looked a little bit too much like a clown, and I know we all like to look like a clown, but I don't like to look like a clown. I don't feel like when I wear bold, colorful makeup that I look like a clown. I know that's like a thing. Okay. I really like this blue. I'm not taking it all the way to the brow bone because I haven't decided on my entire look. Okay. I love that. I love this blue. Okay, I'm really excited about this now. Okay, and one more dip. Okay, I really like that. Damn, I like that a lot. Okay. I'm going to use my Wayne Goss number 19 and I'm going to do the lower lash line. Okay, this is cute. Okay. I like it. And I'm going to go in with my Spectrum A08 and I'm going to go into the color Balance. I love that. Okay. I'm going to take this tiny P. Louise 143 and I'm going to go into the color Huahini in the Nomad palette, and I'm literally just going to barely. I don't even know if I need to do this. I really like this color of blue, and I think it looks like really, there's a trend that's like kid aesthetic, and I think this palette is nailing it. So I could get away with no dimension. So I don't want to change this color. Now I'm going to use my P. Louise cut crease brush and my NYX glitter primer. with my Jessup 234. I'm going to go into the color Growth. Oh my gosh. This color is straight pink in the pan. And it kind of pulls on a little blue. I don't know how to explain it, but now I'm going to go into Abundance with the other side of this brush. Ooh. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just going to go back and forth between those two colors and... And now I'm going to go into the blue. I'm going to use the color Bloom on my lower lid with the Unearthly UC84. And now I'm going to use my Rephr 03 into the color Change for my inner corner highlight. Give it a little spritzy poo. I think I'm going to go in and actually add a little bit more dimension. And I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. So this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I used my Kiss eye wigs in matte silk in the matte black line, my Melt makeup cream blusher in Golden Hour, my LA Girl Neon Shockwave liner in electric, and it was shit. It fucking sucked. I could barely get it on. My Unearthly Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Cupid. It's part of their new line. And then my Unearthly Cosmetics Low Light in Comet as my highlighter. So I had a little bit of difficulty with this palette. I'm not sure what it is. I had a little bit of problem with the smaller brushes trying to blend these two colors together. And so I kind of just switched directions. I looked like a clown. I didn't really like my look anyways. And so I switched directions and switched to bigger brushes. And that basically fixed the problem. Although I didn't try to mix these two colors together, so I can't really say. But I will tell you that I had a little bit of problem building this color up. And I can't tell if it was user error or if, I mean, what would it be? I don't know what it would be. I don't know why that would be a thing. So it looked great on one side, and then on the other side I was having a hard time building it up. And so that has to be my fucking issue. Like, that has to be a problem with me. If it worked on one side and not the other, like, that had to be a me problem. So I wouldn't be, I still have to tell you guys that I had that problem. So, yeah, other than that, like, I love this look. I think it looks super cute. Notoriously Morbid, I love them so much. Their shadows they were basically performed exactly the same. They had a lot of kick up. They have a lot of pigment. I do think they're a little white based because these are kind of a different color. These are kind of a different color story than Notoriously Morbid usually does. And I think this color story is fucking adorable. And I just want to kind of give you guys a little bit of swatchy poos with the colors that I didn't use. Oh my God, look at that fucking purple. Shut up. Oh, cute. And then this is, so that's New Beginnings, and then this is Prosperity. And it's kind of a, ooh. So it's like a red to a green, and I'm gonna go like this and just show you guys right here. You guys can see that shift easily. You can see it so easy. I'll go through and give these other ones a little swatchy poo. That's the one I have on my lid. And I got one more. This is the color that I just put on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna kind of just swatch it right here. It just really looks like a blossom. I wonder what's the name of that color? Bloom. It looks like a bloom. So anyways, yeah. Oh, look at that. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's beautiful. So it's a really nice spring palette. I like the color story a lot. I think the colors are an excellent addition to any collection, and it's a cute fucking spring palette. Also, oh, I gotta swatch these. Sorry, I just have to. So these are the other two, the last two. I really like this like orangey to peach, or like orange to pink, but it's like orange to peach, so it doesn't seem like it's that shifty, but it really gets orange there on the inside. And then this is the inner corner highlight shade that I used, so I'm gonna kind of, ooh yeah, those are fucking cute. They kind of match, they look similar on camera, but they're not. Anywhoosies. Yeah, so anyways, I had a lot of fun, but I just had a little bit of difficulty with the purple building it up, and I think it might have been user error. I was getting a little frustrated, so I just washed my face and started over, and everything turned out good. I'm pretty sure it was a primer problem. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality and my boyish charm. Oh, I did want to tell you guys, okay, so one of the things I think was bothering me is the lack of dimension. So I did go back in with this color in the Nomad palette and deepen up the outer V, and that helped me out a lot. So I feel like I was feeling frustrated because I couldn't get it to look right, and then it was really just like a lack of dimension. Like, I have to have dimension. So that's the other thing I did want to tell you guys. So anyways, as I was progressing through my outro, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. If you got like halfway through this video and you were like, oh my god, this girl's so pretty till she opens her big fucking mouth, then go check me out on Instagram. I don't talk as much on Instagram. And if you guys are like, don't sugarcoat it, Katie, why don't you tell us how you really feel? Then go check out my Patreon. I don't hold anything back on my Patreon. And I go live most Fridays at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So come check it out. It's been super fun. And thank you so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later. Slayer.